This revolve tool is made up of a universal solder ball dispensing fixture with a set of holes matching the BTA pitch size that can handle different component body types. A spacer with 4 alignment tooling holes. A ball dispensing plate that drops the ball onto the BTA pad. An aluminum base fixture with 4 register tooling pins for process accuracy. It has a BTA thickness adjustable platform. It has 4 alignment tabs to set and align the BTA. The revolve process requires an assortment of hand tools and process materials such as a small cup for dispensing solder balls onto the dispensing fixture, a small brush for dispensing solder balls that must be kept clean and dry, a small brush for application of taffy flux onto the BTA solder pad, a hook cut probe for misalignment touch-up work, a tube of taffy soldering flux, a quantity of solder balls of the appropriate size, a key handle wrench for adjusting the base platform up or down, alcohol wipes for cleanup of the tool, captain's tape for masking holes, scissors or a tape dispenser for the masking operation, tweezers to assist in the masking operation, a ring light magnification lamp as required. The component we are using is a 1.5 millimeter pitch, 225 pin lead solder balls of 30 mils in diameter. Pad size on the BTA is 27 mils. First, we start by placing a golden BTA on the base fixture. A golden BTA is a pristine component that has all 225 solder ball terminations. Place the golden BTA approximately at the center of the platform, in between the 4 guide plates, and push into place just enough to touch the edges of the BTA. Look to see if the surface of the BTA is level with the surfaces of the plate. If not, then remove the BTA and use a T-handle wrench to adjust the platform up or down. Do this in small increments until this method achieves the leveling required. Now tighten the knob slightly. Place the dispenser fixture over the golden BTA and look to see if all the solder balls are inside the fixture hole. If not, loosen the knobs of the horizontal plate. Slightly push the BTA under the fixture. Look to see if the vertical columns of the holes are all filled with solder balls. Tighten the 2 knobs securely. Now, take a look at the horizontal rows of holes to see if they are all filled with solder balls. If not, adjust the position of the BTA in the same fashion as done in the previous step until all the horizontal rows are filled with solder balls. Make sure to tighten 2 knobs securely. Take one last look to make sure the alignment is completed. After the BTA is in proper alignment, we need to match all the holes that are not used for revolving this component. Use captain tape that leaves very little adhesive residue. Cut the tape to the proper size and use the tweezers to help place the tape over the targeted holes. It is a good idea to first recut the pieces of tape to the right length to make it easy. Apply the tape over the unused holes. Remove the dispensing fixture from the base. Place the BGA to be reballed in between the guide plates, making sure that the pin number 1 location is nearer to you. Apply a bead of tacky flux just outside the rows of pads away from you. Apply a thin layer of tacky flux over the BGA solder pads with a small brush. Avoid applying a heavier layer because it will cause problems later on when the BGA is being reflowed. We also offer an alternative method of flux application. We offer a stencil that will allow you to precisely apply the clean flux on each of the BGA solder pads. After having fluxed the BGA copper pad, assemble a spacer over the 4 tooling pins of the base fixture. Next, assemble the slide plate over the BGA. Make sure that the front edge is not soiled with flux. Replace the tape dispensing fixture back onto the base over the BGA. From your supply of solder balls, fill a good amount onto the fixture. Use a small plastic cup as we demonstrate here. 2 few solder balls will take longer to dispense into the fixture. Practice will show you how much is enough. Use a clean and dry small brush to brush the solder balls right on into the fixture hole. You will note that as balls are brushed about, any extra balls trying to get into a particular hole can be easily brushed away. At this point, quarantine extra solder balls in a corner of the fixture. After having filled all the holes with solder balls, begin to pull the slide plate out of the base fixture with a slow, smooth action. You will see that the balls will drop down inside the holes as the plate moves out and gravity takes over. Gently lift the fixture up. Make sure not to tilt it so that the solder balls will roll down into the holes. This is the final step before the BGA is reflowed. Carefully inspect for missing solder balls. A hole may be clogged for some reason. Inspect for ball misalignment. Misaligned solder balls are easily realigned with a hook-type probe. We believe that some minor misalignment will occur. However, if one or two are missed, they will self-center at the reflow process. At this point, the BGA is ready for reflow operation in a heat convection process or direct heat conduction process like a hot plate.